Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I'm really just popping on to talk about what to do when business is slow or when you're not motivated. And I talked about this a little bit before when I was sewing or did a sewing video. But it's essentially the same thing. Sometimes we lose our motivation. Sometimes business is not popping like it was. But you know, many of us got into this because we love what we were doing. So I just wanted to hop on to remind people to have fun. This is a design that I made a few days ago, I think. Really just playing around and having fun. So I'll probably put this on a shirt or something for myself. I always say a mug because I drink coffee every day. And it's something that I can look at and enjoy. But sometimes you just got to play around. Do things that you like. Go back to your first love. For me, sewing, I always say, was my first love. I really feel like relaxed and connected when I'm sewing. So go back, do what you love, have a good time. Put some music on. I know 90s hip hop does it for me. So just go back, vibe out, enjoy. Get in your good space, let your creativity flow, and the businesses start flowing. Also, sometimes looking at other people for inspiration. I say be careful, because when you look at other people too much, you start to mimic what they're doing. Sometimes it's not on purpose, but you know, you want to have a healthy balance of watching other people, but not, you know, copying too much of what they do, because you'll lose sight of your own space, your own lane, and your own creativity. But YouTube is a great place to learn. Get on here, look at other people's videos, be encouraged, be inspired. And then the last thing is always inspire somebody else. You might not be motivated right now, but you made some dope stuff in July. Post some pictures of what you did in July. It motivates somebody else, and sometimes in turn, it can come right back and inspire you. So, I hope this helps somebody. This is just a quick short on things you can do to get your creativity flowing again. Vibe out to the things you love. Listen to good music. Look at other people for inspiration, and then be an inspiration yourself. So, hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.